Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of VTwin Visionary. When VTwin Visionary started a little over 2.5 years ago, it rose out of the ashes of me being the editorial director of Hot Bike, Baggers, and Street Chopper magazine. From then, I kind of taken that same thing on. We're not a paper magazine per se. It's more of an online entity, and we also do shows, personal appearances, and a bunch of other stuff to get the word out about custom and performance motorcycles. I moved out from California to Phoenix and built a dyno room inside my buddy's motorcycle shop, The Collective. We're concentrating on testing and tuning all of the aftermarket parts we can get our hands on, whether it be exhausts, cams, intakes, pretty much anything that makes your bike perform faster or go better. Other than the dyno tuning and the installation stuff, we definitely want to bring the lifestyle of custom motorcycles out into the open. We also concentrate on making sure that you see the latest products as they hit the marketplace. Whether it be grips, tires, seats, anything, including clothing, we want to make sure that you see it first through VTwin Visionary. With all that said, VTwin Visionary is here, and we're here for the long run, making sure that custom motorcycle companies, no matter how big or small they are the world over, get seen by all you avid motorcyclists. That's pretty much it, man.